this is, I wonder if I should microwave this. It's brand Flex 4547. Just finished microwaving the flashlight right here. You know what? Hold on. So I have So, have the fan right there. You might be wondering what I'm going to microwave today. Just because everyone was so generous today, they sent in, set it for 4 minutes, 30 seconds real quick. They sent me, everyone in my class, almost, not almost, but some people in my class offered me these to microwave. I got 8 of them. One of them doesn't have a sled. This one's supposed to be on this. No, I'm not going to put that on. And I'm going to microwave them because I have nothing better to do. So set for 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Whoa. Holy crap. Holy freaking mother. Oh, it's I can't, pipe cleaners that caught on fire. That is so tight. While you hear that, I'm sorry. They're still on fire. Hopefully you can see it even a little bit. Gotta plug in the fan. Okay. One of them is burning like a mother for some reason. This fan isn't... What the heck is wrong with it? I don't know what that noise is, but I'm going to keep him going. All it's really doing is flaming. Some of them are on fire, which is pretty pimped. I do actually have water on standby. Zapping. Oh yeah! This is awesome. You know what? Since only 2 of them are flaming, I'm going to make a big pot fire in the middle. Let's make a big fire, shall we? And start them up. Start them up! Of course, right when I move them, this thing catches on fire. Oh yeah. Now another one's going. This is amazing. If you can hear zapping noises, I am terrible. Just kidding, I'm sorry. Because I can't control that. I'm sorry. Singing, hey, oh, hey, oh, hey. Can't see anything over here, but something's going on with the flames. Oh, stopped. Let's go. Ready? Let's go. Let's keep it going. Still going. The smog is so thick that you can't even see through it. Okay. Still going. I'm gonna give it a little bit more time. I wish if there's one thing I could have on this show is I would have a inside camera view of what's happening inside there. That would be the ultimate microwave show. I mean, come on. You can't say no to that, can you? big flame. Doesn't look like it's getting out of hand. It might look like it to you guys, but not to me, trust me. Whoa, flame just cut out. Oh! Okay, it stopped. Started back up again. Because I'm good like that. There we go, flame. Flame on! I'm gonna go ahead and stop it. Okay, look at all that smoke. Okay, never mind. See, the fan is doing something right there. That is a huge flame, actually. Not anywhere near as big as a big helicopter toy, but that's pretty big. Let's open her up. Holy crap. Let's let her burn out. This one is completely messed up. This one, oh, this one survived. Oh, I don't know whose this is, but that one survived. That's pretty tight. Yes, flame. Oh, yes, yes. Ow, 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 that hurt. Here we go. Here we go now. This one survived. Oh my gosh. Mine didn't. Mine is the one that's actually causing the big flame in here. Let's see what that. Holy crap. Can you see the roof right now? That is from previous experiments, not just this one, but this episode is going on for long enough. I'm going to go ahead and stop it. Thank you for watching, comment, and subscribe. And guess what? This was a Brainflex production. That is a huge flame. I'm going to keep it going just for a little bit longer. Let it die out. Bye.